Hi, it's Teresa, your friendly health and wellness coach here with Healthy Soup Hack Part 5, tip number 5, which is all about the protein that you are using in your soup. So you don't have to use a lean protein, but you definitely get more bang for your buck when you are using a lean protein, such as chicken breast or a ground turkey breast in your soup. And what I tell people is, traditionally, a lot of soups are not that heavy in protein. And as we've talked about before, protein is the macronutrient that the body likes the most. So we want to give our body protein. So what I tell clients a lot of times, what I do for myself is, whatever the protein amount is, I'll go a little bit higher on it, just so I'm getting more protein in the soup. I even am the type of person that completely leaves the protein item out and will just add it to the soup as I need it. So here's a perfect example. I just did a bunch of ground turkey with the basics, I call them, salt, pepper, garlic. And based on how much protein I am needing for the day, I'll just add that in. Now, you don't have to do it that way. If you're not logging and tracking your food or know your protein requirements, then I wouldn't bother with that. You can just dump it all in. But I would say, if it calls for a pound, don't feel like you can't put 1.5 pounds in there, or even 2 pounds. Number one, it'll give it some substance. Number two, again, we need that protein. And number three, if you are using a lean protein, it's really not going to add so many calories that it's going to make it just a ridiculous amount. And again, the body loves it. So that is part, I think I said 5. Yeah, 5. Part 6, the finale, coming soon. Stay tuned.